Well, hello there, travelers! As you know, I'm always on the hunt for the perfect travel bag, something stylish, compact, minimalistic and functional, and also still cute enough to wear all day long. And after the huge success of my last sling bag review video, Neosmart reached out to me and asked me if I want to do yet another sling bag review video. And obviously, I said yes, please. And honestly, I think this one might tick all the boxes. But is it really as smart as it sounds? Let's find out. Alright, I am excited, as I always am when I review Neosmart products. I think at this stage I might have reviewed almost all of them, and I am super excited to add this one to my collection. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, my name is Vicky from NonStopTravelVV. I love to review everything travel related, hotels, flights and luggage. And if you're not new here, then you already know that I usually don't have a sneak peek and I just explore here live on camera so that you guys can see my honest first impression. Let's do it. Very first impression, it is quite light and it is, I think, the absolute perfect size to fit a lot of stuff in, but also not to be bulky. All the tags are still on, which as usual is proof that I have not had a look yet. And by the way, it came in such nice packaging. The packaging alone says it all, that the quality is really amazing. I love all the drawings in here, and yes, it comes in its little dust bag. And there's so much technology behind the material and all the buckles and everything. A V buckle, V as in NonStopTravelVV, I like it. I think that really sets Neosmart apart. It's just the quality and the technology is just awesome. So the material, it says here, is nylon and spandex. I will put all the features, all the specs, all the material info up here so that you can see for yourself how awesome it is. So the weight is only 570 grams and the capacity is 4.2 liters. That's quite a lot for just a sling bag. Probably enough to fit all my snacks when I travel. And I mean, it uses eco-friendly materials and it has the Fitlock magnetic buckle that my Neosmart backpacks also have, so I'm familiar with them. But let's see if I can actually open it because they are like super theft proof. Do we have here? That is so cool, okay. And it closes itself. So yes, magnetic indeed. Okay, so you hold it here on the side, you pull, it opens like magic, and then you don't even have to do anything, you just put it there and it closes itself. I love it, I love it. That's a very good start. Now let's see what we have on the inside. We've got separate compartments here. I like it. What do we put in there? We will pack it and organize it in the end. Don't you worry about it. Okay, let's take all the fillings out. There you have it. 2 identical compartments and quite a lot would fit in here. Endless options how to organize your things. And I mean, it is just so nice to be organized, especially if this is your personal item when you're flying and you don't have to dig for stuff when you're like tired or it's dark on the plane and you're looking for something. It is always good to know where your things are and to be organized. And I think this is an awesome personal item. Now let's see the main compartment. Paper in there. Oh my God, you guys, it has that divider that the other sling bag had as well. Here. This is so cool. And then it has like separate compartments here for cables, little things. And on the other side, where those outside pockets are, also on the inside, we've got 2 compartments here. I mean, this is just so good to be organized. I love it. And on the label here, it says Neosmart Herman. This is the Herman series, obviously. Innovative functional aesthetics. And it definitely ticks all those 3 boxes from what I've seen so far. All right, so I mean, this is a really big compartment. And I think if you put a camera in there, for example, it would be really nicely protected. And of course the zippers. So nice. Perfect quality zippers. And I quite like that here on the outside compartments, the zippers are a little bit bigger. Very nice, very nice. All right. It closed itself again. And here on the back, I think we have a hidden, yes, we have a hidden compartment here. And it is so nice and soft in there. It's all fluffy and nice. I love it. Let's see how much my phone is gonna love it. Oh my God. My phone is so comfortable right now. So, I mean, it just disappears in here. So you don't need to have it like on the outside somewhere. It's here, which is also nice when you're wearing the bag because you can feel it vibrate. Ah, and it closes itself with a magnet as well, so it's not gonna fall out. I love it. Well done, Neosmart. I mean, again, it always blows me away how much thought goes into the design of those Neosmart bags. Like, they think of everything. I absolutely love it. Okay, we've got like a little hook thingy here. Actually, let me cut those tags off. All right, I cut off the tag. So we have this little thing here, so you can hook something in here. Ah, and on the bottom, it's like reinforced. Very nice. So it would sit nicely on any surface and not wobble or fall. We've got the very nice Neosmart logo here. And I think we do not have one of those quick release buckles unless I'm completely mistaken. But that's fine. I never really use the quick release. This is quick enough, I feel. Simple and minimalistic. And yes, is it very girly? No. I used to have like all those pink bags and I used to love everything that looks really girly. But now I have to say I prefer something that's really functional and timeless. And if it's black, it just goes with everything. And yes, I think it doesn't get any more unisex than this. On the Neosmart website, it's actually a guy wearing this. And I mean, it looks awesome on the guy. It's like the perfect personal item or camera bag for a guy. But as a woman, I also very much like it. All right, and I had a quick check on the website to make sure that I did not forget anything. So first of all, the zippers are waterproof, but also, I mean, you have that top that goes over. I just love how it closes. You have that top that protects everything, no matter if it's like in the outside compartment or in the inside compartment. If you have anything that mustn't get wet, you don't have to worry. Oh, and then it also says that this compartment in the main compartment here, so this divides your iPad mini from the rest of your things. So it is perfect for your iPad mini or like a very small tablet. And yes, it talks about the independent magnetic pocket here in the back where you can put your cards or your phone or your passport would fit in there nicely as well. And this little sticker that came with the tags, you can put that on here to protect that material so that it doesn't scratch or anything. I think it's gonna be fine, but if you want to protect it, it has like a high visibility feature as well. So yeah, it keeps the buckles safe from damage and maintains the color. Aha, I knew I forgot something. It has an elastic pen holder. Let's find it. Elastic pen holder, where are you? Elastic pen holder, aha! There he is. It's up here. So this is where you can put your pen in. I mean, how cool is this? This actually might be the smartest feature of them all because, I mean, we all have been digging for our pens in our bags, not finding them. And now you will always find it because you always know exactly where it is. So if I had to fold it, the one thing that it does not have, I just love how it closes, like that makes up for everything. But what it does not have is that strap in the back, so you can slide it on your suitcase handles and it sits there. But I mean, you just have to carry it as a sling bag. It's not gonna be that heavy anyway. And I mean, that also shows me that it is not just for traveling. It's also a perfect everyday bag. And now let's just pack it with my travel essentials. All right, and here I am with everything that I will try to fit into the Herman HL1 Sling bag. Let's see how we go. So those are basically my travel essentials for a long haul flight. I always need a scarf because it does get really cold on planes and this has saved me many times from freezing to death. Then of course, compression socks, very important. And my Benianda sleeping mask. This is like the highest quality sleeping mask I've ever had. It has like a Velcro that's not really a Velcro. I don't know what it is. It's awesome because it doesn't catch your hair. Anyway, that's in my Benianda video. I will link it in the description. And of course, yes, I do have a discount code for this one. So do check it out. It folds and I think I will fold it in half and just stick it in here. But actually, let's take that out again because I want to utilize all the inside compartments and it's easier when it's not full with things already. I think I will put my disinfectant wipes, always good to have when you fly, you want to disinfect everything around your seat. I will put that where the iPad mini goes because I don't have an iPad mini. I will also put my hard drive in here because that is also very flat. And I will put a notepad in there. All right, all fits nicely. My passport will go into the outside compartment. All right, I will put my Binyanda sleeping mask back in now. Perfect fit. And I mean, the scarf takes up quite a lot of space. So you might want to just wear your scarf in the airport. It's usually cold in airports. That will free up a lot of space in there. The pen goes here into the secret pen holder compartment. I mean, it's not that secret anymore after I told you about it, but this is where the pen goes. So I will never lose my pen again. Awesome. I will put my headphones in those side compartments that are on the middle divider, those elastic little compartments. So those are my cable headphones that I'm using on the plane that you can, use for the in-flight entertainment. Then, of course, there are also my headphones, my Bluetooth ones. They will go on the outside here because they're a bit bulkier and like perfect fits. They disappear in there as if it was nothing. And then chargers and cables will also go into one of those elastic compartments on the divider. So yes, you will definitely always know where everything is. Now we will put the tripod in. On top. It fits easily and perfectly. All right, and now the outside compartments. My son is almost fit. So what I would do is just like have them stick out a little bit or just wear them. Then I need a lip gloss and I need hand balm. So that's actually nice if it's out here, so it's very easy to access. Fits perfectly. And yes, that is just me. I'm very picky with my tea. I need to have good quality tea, so I always bring a tea bag for the plane and then just ask for hot water and make my own fancy tea. That fits perfectly. That's actually the perfect size. Tissues. It's always good to have tissues. I will put them on the other side here. There's still space where the headphones are. Aha, perfect. Isn't it nice when everything is perfectly organized? I love it. All right, and it closes itself and it easily closes. So even though there's like a lot of things in there, and again, I would take the scarf out, but look, it doesn't look bulkier than before. It's like there is still room in there. I could put more things in there, like snacks, for example. Now in the back, that's where the phone goes. And my credit cards are in there. I like having them in a pouch, but you could probably just fit them in there without a pouch. It closes magnetically anyway, so nothing is gonna fall out. And last but not least, my passport. Everything fits. And now, of course, let's wear it. Let's make it a little bit longer, which is super easy to do. There you have it. I think it looks really good. Of course, you can wear it as a crossbody bag or just like as a shoulder bag. Let's make it a bit shorter again. So easy to adjust. Or like this, as a shoulder bag. So I have to say, like all my Neosmart bags, I absolutely love it, and it will be a tough choice which one to bring as my personal item on my next trip. This is definitely also a perfect camera bag. It would nicely fit my Osmo Pocket camera, but again, it is filming me right now. So I think all that's left to do now is rate the Herman H1, and I would give it 4.5 star tortoises out of 5. And I mean, I do think it is perfect. However, because I did a review for this one in my last video, and personally, it's really just a personal thing. I do prefer this one because it does have the strap to go over your suitcase handles. That is very nice to have. And I think it is a little bit lighter and it has a few more compartments like a water bottle compartment. This is why this one got 5 stars. If you missed the video, I will link it down there in the description. But yes, again, this is just my personal preference. Here you can see them both next to each other. So now it is up to you, which one do you prefer for your next trip, or as a camera bag, or just as a fancy everyday bag. Of course, all the bags are linked down there in the description, and I have a discount code for all Neosmart products. So you could be like me and just get them all. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments which Neosmart sling bag or backpack is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next video is gonna be something completely different and I think you're gonna like it, so don't miss out. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!